So we're back at the state park and we're gonna see what we can catch today. And special guest, our Dixie girl's first time out here. So we're gonna see how she does. She broke her leash. So yeah, look at her. First time seeing the water. She's like, what is that? How can I get down there? Dixie girl, what is it? What is that?
I'll take her down here while I'm gonna rig up.
Okay.
Here's your boat.
Still low, nice and calm today, and cool. Ain't 109 degrees like it was last time when we came. So, let's see what we can catch. Let's see if Dixie girl's gonna get in the water. It's just me. Hey girl. All right. Daddy today said he's just gonna be bass fishing. What you got on there, worm? Pumpkin seed. Dixie seems to be enjoying herself. So again, gonna be using our red worms here. Killing out. Sky, saving from last time. Pulled a bunch of them. Oh, my hands are a little shaky. It broke off, but a piece is on there. I'll just slide that up. You're not escaping. Fight to the death on this one. Alright. Let's see if something can grab a hold of that. It's a little drizzly. It might storm, so if you hear thunder in the back, that's what it is. Starting to drizzle a little bit. Dixie is enjoying it still. So this is one of Lumber River State Parks. Pretty quiet down here. Hidden gem. Alright, we're gonna walk to our little cove over here.
Get back over here.
Come on, Dixie. Come on. There we go. Dixie. This way. Come on. Follow him. She hit that mud and sank. Oh my God, she should have hit it that darn hard. Made it to this little cove we like to fish at. Got one while I was setting up the camera. Hey. Uh-oh. Daddy, I'm gonna need you. He swallowed it.
I gave you, here, I brought horses.
Oh, never mind. Got it. Oh! Oh, sorry, buddy, sorry. Oh, see, they have that nice bright color here. They get pretty, can get bigger than that. All right, let's put them back.
These are little size, okay? And the one that grew a baby.
All right. Still got a little piece, so we're gonna try it. Right here. Sit down. Here. Come here, go. Come here, go. Come here, go. I think that was her. Drizzling a little bit, overcast, but not too hot. Don't you be picking out my push button pole. This is my Oatman, Arizona shirt. If you've ever in Arizona, go to Oatman. It's a little ghost town. It used to be a mining town. And they got burrows everywhere. Alright. Pulling something in, but it ain't a fish. He's still moving on there. What was that? Ooh, y'all see that? Whoa. Something's over there. It keeps jumping. I don't know what it is. Need to hit our line though. Hit our line. Was that it?
Got a fish in his mouth, see it? Well, what is that?
I can't see it.
Come here. It's turning in a circle right there. He just hit it again.
Yep.
On top. Dead minnow.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't big enough to take it, whatever it's hitting.
She said she don't like the rain. She said she don't like the rain. Better put another piece of worm on mine. See if I can't get that thing over there. Can I get your artificial bait? Can I get your artificial bait? Running pretty good right now, but it's like, and we're under a canopy of trees, so nice.
city. And it's what they call that swamp gas.
I'm dead. Dixie, stay over here.
Trying to sneak off.
Mm-hmm.
Want to explore. Don't mess with it. That was hitting off the soft. Like a turtle maybe. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Either a big one or a turtle maybe. Because sometimes a big one just swallow it and just sit right there. There you go. See what it is. You lost it? Because you didn't set the hook.
I know. I'm editing that out.
But look at that little weight to it. Maybe it was twisted somehow, you know, that you. There you
Not
go.
that time. Nope. That's got to be a baby. You know the baby.
No.
Gotta get another
Well,
worm.
there's something. Check that hook and make sure ain't nothing wrong with that hook. Like it's bent, because you got it hung up a while ago, it didn't.
You got the worm?
No, it's right there on the ground somewhere by you. I think you said last time I seen there on the ground right there. We need to put a smaller hook on there, we agree.
Alright. Got that down.
There you go. That's what's up. Man, you had about 9 more like that, you'd have something.
They hungry today.
This weather, boy, they like this changing.
Alright, let's go release them.
You might have found your little bed out there, what they keep hitting every time they hit that one spot.
Yeah.
There you go, where you at? You got more umbrella over top of you. Oh yeah, you got more umbrella.
Yeah.
Oh, there, what man? I'm getting wet.
So I've caught two, and missed at least one.
Got that tree top out there. That's good.
I lost my hook.
You need a bigger hook.
I need a better hook. So it's raining pretty good right now. So I'm gonna put my phone up until we catch something or it stops. The rain is set in, we think.
We go up there and get underneath the cover and wait it out.
So we're gonna either try to wait it out or go home and fish another day. right. Guess we're gonna head out.
The storms blew up over the top of us and just sitting there. You can wait it out under this cedar tree, dude.
I ain't lying, you don't even feel nothing. Barely.
I mean, it's definitely better than anything else going right now.
Cedar trees are good coverage. All right, until next time. The shoes he has on is his Father's Day gift, and they're called the Fish Angler, and they're Crocs, made for fishermen.
I'm wearing the old man style.
He wears them the old man style with socks. All right, we're about gone.